welcome to M&M Model Railways, and today we got a little package. And like I say every time, Michael orders stuff for the train, and I have no idea what it is. So please stay tuned to see what he ordered. Welcome back. So today we're going to open this package. So I have no idea what's inside. So we're going to see what is inside. Alright, I think that's it. Yep. Alright, what is this? Where's the opening? How do I open this?
Dirt open.
I don't want to drop anything. I should have got my box cutter. There are some little tiny figurines I see. Alright, there's two little packages. The first one is workers with forklift. That is cute.
That's for a warehouse.
Wow.
All right.
Okay, workers with forklift. Okay, next. Oh, it's a mail truck. Not a female truck, a male truck. Can you see it? And
Look
this one.
Look at the decals.
This one, folks, is one I have to put all the decals on. Looks like, oh, the tires even. So I have to assemble this.
How soon is it going to take you to get her done?
This won't take me very long.
All right.
So, and looks like I have to paint it, probably. Paint it white. But anyway, this is the picture of it. So I'm probably gonna get it pretty close to that because that's what mail trucks look like. So that is cute. So today we got forklift workers and not a female truck, but a male truck.
And check back in just a little bit for the next package surprise in this video.
And also, please hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you, and have a great day. Hello, so I'm back with another unboxing video. I forget what number this is, but Michael orders a lot, which I'm excited for. And like every time, it's like Christmas, because I don't ever know what Michael orders, so I get really excited. So, stay tuned and see what Michael ordered. Alright, so we got a package, and I have no idea what's in it. This one is from HobbyLink.com. So let's see what is inside. Michael says I'm going to really like this one. I really like all of them. Here, let's see. What is this? Oh, wow. He found some semis.
We need them in order to make the trucking receiving place. Cool.
All right. And they look like they're not going to fall apart when we open them. As we've had bad luck in the past. But thankfully I fix them all.
What else is in that box?
Let's see. What is this? Oh wow, it's a little thing for farming.
That is actually a square baler, and we need to paint that John Deere green.
Which I can do.
To match the tractor we got down in there. So she'll be painting that, and I'll be able to start on this area right here. I'm gonna have to figure out how high to make that slope that comes up there. That's what we'll be doing next. So please come back in another video, and let's work on that town a little bit more.
And also I will make a video painting this, so if you'll join me, you can see how I do it. Alright, thanks for watching this video, and please hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you soon.